Good day, sir. This presentation is all about electrical AC motors and generators. What is an AC motor? AC motors are electric motors driven by alternating current AC. They are widely used in industrial, commercial and residential applications due to their simplicity, reliability, and efficiency. Construction of AC motors. Number 1. Stator. Core. Made of laminated steel sheets to reduce eddy current losses, forming a hollow cylinder. Windings. Coils of insulated wire placed in the slots of the stator core, connected to the AC power supply. The arrangement of these windings determines the number of poles and the type of motor. Number 2. Rotor. Core, a laminated cylindrical structure mounted on a shaft, similar to the stator core, to minimize eddy current losses. Types of rotor. Squirrel cage rotor consists of conductive bars, usually made of aluminum or copper. Short circuit by end rings on both ends. This type is commonly used in induction motor. Wound rotor has windings similar to the stator windings, connected to slip rings into the shaft. This type is used in wound rotor or slip ring induction motors. Number 3. Shaft. A metal rod on which the rotor is mounted. It extends out of the motor to connect it to mechanical load. Bearings support the rotor and allow it to rotate smoothly. Bearings are placed at the end of the motor's housing to reduce friction between the rotating shaft and the stationary parts. Number 5 is end covers, also known as end belts or end shields. These cover the end of the rotor, house the bearings, and provide structural support and protection for internal components. 6. Cooling system ensures that motors operate within safe temperature limits. This can include fan mounted on the rotor shaft, cooling fins in the motor housing, or more advanced cooling methods in large motors. 7. Housing. The outer casing that encloses and protects the internal components of the motor. It also helps in heat dissipation. Types and operational of AC motors. AC motors are broadly categorized into two types based on their operating principle: induction motors, asynchronous motors. A. Squirrel cage induction motor. B. Wound rotor induction motor. Synchronous motor. A. Permanent magnet synchronous motor. B. Electrically excited asynchronous motor. Induction motor, synchronous motors. An induction motor is a type of electrical motor that works by inducing current into rotor, changing a rotor magnetic field from the stator. It does not require a direct electrical connection to the rotor, making it simple, durable, and low maintenance. It is commonly found in household appliances, electric fan, pumps, and industrial machines. Squirrel cage induction motor. Magnetic field generation. When AC voltage is applied to the stator windings, it produces a rotating magnetic field. Induced current in rotor. The rotating magnetic field induced current in the rotor bars due to electromagnetic induction. Torque production. The interaction between the magnetic field and the induced current generates torque, causing the rotor to rotate. Wound rotor induction motor. Starting external resistors and connected to the rotor circuit to limit starting current and increase starting torque. Speed control. By valving the internal resistance in the rotor circuit, the motor speed can be adjusted. Torque production, similar to the squirrel cage motor. Torque is produced by the interaction of the rotating magnetic field and the induced motor current. Application. Use in application required high starting torque and variable speed such as cranes, elevators, and hoists. Synchronous motor. A synchronous motor is a type of electrical motor that rotates at a constant speed in synchronization with the stator's rotating magnetic field. The rotor is powered either by permanent magnets or an external DC supply, allowing precise and stable operation. Permanent magnet synchronous motor. A synchronous motor whose rotor magnetic field is generated by permanent magnets, enabling it to rotate at the same speed as the stator's rotating magnetic fields. It is commonly used in applications such as electric vehicles, industrial drives, and robotics. Electrically excited synchronous motor. Electrically excited synchronous motor. A synchronous motor where the rotor magnetic field is produced by supplying direct current to rotor field windings, allowing adjustment of the magnetic field strength. AC generators. An AC generator is commonly found in power plants where electricity is produced for homes and industries. It is also found in backup generator system used in hospital, schools, and commercial buildings during power interruption. In addition, it is present in renewable energies setups such as wind turbines and hydroelectric facilities, where it helps generate electrical power from natural source. That's all, and thank you.